In this video, we're going to go through the steps of using Burp Suite Professional to do a website spider. We can tell we're running Professional here because I have a new scan set up here. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to go to my Firefox and across to the hamburger over the side. What I want to do is to change my proxy settings. So I'm going to go across to preferences and I'm going to click on proxy and I'm going to make my proxy settings manual 127.0.0.1 with port 8080, and I'm going to use the proxy server for all protocols. We're going to go back to Burp Suite. And what we're going to do is do a new scan. So we'll click on new scan, and this is how we can tell that it's Burp Suite Professional. In the community edition, you'll find that the new scan button is grayed out and not available to you. So we're going to use new scan, and we're going to use crawl and audit. In the URL to scan, we're going to scan our URL. In this case it's 10.0.2.8, and we'll do Matilda Day again. We'll come to scan configuration. In scan configuration, we're going to select from library, and what we want to do is audit checks all except time-based detection methods. So we'll do all except the time-based detection methods, and then we're going to limit our crawl to 10 minutes. So this will help us if we have a large website to look at. We'll click down here on application login, and we're going to add in some new users, and we're going to add in admin, so the label's admin and the username's admin, and we'll try a password of admin. Go new, we'll go user, and we'll give it user, and let's give it a user. Now I don't know if these passwords are going to work, but we'll use them anyway. And then we'll go OK, and you'll find that the scan is running. You can tell that because we've got this scan running here. And what this will do is it'll run through and check that everything, we check all our items that we need. At this point, I'm just going to stop the scan, but as you can see, we have our task details. These are our audit items, so these are all the items that it was auditing. So it was doing some passive, some active phases, some JavaScript, and it found some issues. The issue activity, right, so we can filter on our high risk vulnerabilities, our low risk, medium risk vulnerabilities, our low risk vulnerabilities, and information only. We also have our event log, and this is what we see on the dashboard. We can see that we've got 13 issues of high severity, 10 of low, 41 of information only. And that's doing a spidering. So we can click on here. We can look at our issue activity, and when we click on an item, it gives us information down below.